Kentucky Coke Dipper 81, and I got my Mudjugs in today, so I figured I'd go ahead and do a video on it. I couldn't wait to unbox it on camera because the anticipation was killing me, but I still got it in the box, so I guess I'll pull them out of the box. That would be considered an unboxing. So I'm going to throw on some music here and throw in a dip, and I'll pull the Mudjugs out and be the first spit in them. Be dipping Copenhagen wintergreen.
I sit there in Daddy's old Bel Air, lined up for the quarter mile. Everybody from the high school showed up and gathered round. I was scared to death and praying to myself, now Chevy, don't let me down.
Alright, I'll go ahead and pull out one of the Mudjugs. It's, I ain't told y'all what it is yet, but this is just the free black Mudjug it comes with it. See? Brand new. Just got it in today. I ordered it Monday, and today is Thursday, and I got it in today. Alright. Here is the Mudjug that I ordered. I thought it looked wicked. I seen it on Outlaws channel, and I had to buy it. It is the snow camo Mudjug. This is a wicked looking little Mudjug. I love it. Here's going to be the first spit. Oh man, that killed me. I mean, this was a clean Mudjug. These Mudjugs are just wicked. I mean, you can see it. Alright, now here is the outline. You can see it's the high gloss. You can see I'm spitting it. No spill. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with the black one yet, but I'm sure I'll use it. So, the next Mudjug I'll be getting probably will be the Southern Fried Mudjug. I've been waiting on this Mudjug. Oh god, I've been waiting like all day today for this thing to come in, and it finally came in, so I was so happy. As you can see, Redneck Nation Mudjug has joined forces. Shirts, hats, music stickers take 20% off entire purchases with Mudjug discount code. Enter code Mudjug. You can see my papers here I got with my Mudjug. You can see, how'd you hear about us, YouTube? Thank you, Jeff and Darcy. The Mudjug is freaking awesome. So I'm thinking about getting a couple more Mudjugs definitely here soon. So I'll be working on that here soon. I just can't get over the design of this. Just the high gloss. It's so shiny I can see myself in it. This is an awesome Mudjug. If you haven't got this Mudjug, go out and get it. You won't be disappointed. Jeff and Darcy make Awesome products. I highly recommend it. This is not the first time that I've ordered from Mudjug. Last year, I think it was, I ordered the metal, I guess the relevant metal Mudjug. It looked like the camo, only it was metal, and I got the free black, so I got two blacks now. And so I hate to spit in it, it looks so pretty. So also, I got in the mail today, which is completely off topic though. Calf dehorner. My other one took a dump, so I needed another one. So I got 2 calves right now. I need to de-nut and dehorn here soon. So I'll be doing that here pretty soon. I was going to take a video of it, but things got a little crazy with it, so I had to go ahead and get it done. So I highly recommend this product. Get yourself a Mudjug at www.mudjug.com. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. I can't believe how fast the shipping was. I mean, ordered it early day on Monday. I think it was like I don't know, 1 o'clock on Monday afternoon, and I got it this Thursday, which is today, this morning at 8 o'clock here in Kentucky. So thank you, Jeff, thank you, Darcy. Awesome Mudjugs, and I will be buying again in the future. So this is my kind of a Mudjug unboxing, but it really isn't. So well, it kind of was unboxing, but as you can see, the box it came in. You can see priority mail, click and ship. This was my unboxing, so thank you everybody, and thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.